there's no better place for new adventures, for making new friends and memories you'll never forget, than right here at Disneyland Resort. And with so much to see and do, you'll find more ways and want more days to experience as much of the magic as you possibly can. So where's the best place to start? Disney California Adventure Park, of course. Here, you'll discover themed lands filled with dozens of favorite attractions, including exciting new additions like Guardians of the Galaxy, Mission Breakout. Plus, you'll be treated to some of the most spectacular, world-class entertainment you've ever seen, both day and night. When you're ready, more amazing lands are waiting to be explored in the one and only Disneyland Park. Feel the magic in the air as your imagination soars on adventures to other worlds. Bring storybook tales to life before your eyes and ignites your spirit of wonder with one unforgettable experience after another. But don't forget, there's even more fun just steps away in the high-energy downtown Disney district. Shop, dine, and be entertained, all in true Disney style, right here in the heart of the Disneyland Resort. And if you really want to make the most of your visit, stay in the middle of the magic at one of the uniquely themed Disneyland Resort hotels. Thanks to legendary Disney service and magical touches everywhere you go, you'll feel positively pixie dusted your entire stay. So now that you've gotten a taste of what's in store, get set for the vacation of a lifetime, one filled with day after day and night after night of pure Disney magic. No wonder there's no better place to be than at the happiest place on Earth.